This is my first stop on Hurricane Ridge. This is not quite on Hurricane Ridge yet. Hour trip. And somewhere back here we hear an animal that's talking to another animal that is over here somewhere. And within those pictures you'll see this great view that we have. Take you back on it really quick. It's kind of nice that it's paved. And it is early in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock. There was that animal sound. Have you heard that? See these rails here? They are mainly protecting you from that down here. Nicely maintained walkway. That's what we pay for here.
And the Army Corps of Engineer guy in New Orleans. Why wasn't he more?
And this is what you got. The clips. And this side. It's not as gorgeous as that side. And that's what you got. This is where I'm at. Doesn't say much exactly about where I'm at, but over in Hurricane Ridge on the Olympic National Forest.